watches set to receive Wear OS 5 update soon. Samsung recently launched Wear OS 5 a few months back at the Galaxy Unpacked event in Paris. The two most dominating swatches, Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra, are the first watches to be released with Wear OS 5. The update supports a plethora of significant features such as an enhanced battery life, a 20% more improved fitness tracker, and the latest customizable watch faces with outstanding options. This feature isn't included in Google wearables before the launch of Pixel Watch 3. GAD Insider has compiled a list of confirmed eligible devices of Wear OS 5 that's mentioned here. As mentioned earlier, the recently launched flagship wearables, including the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra, supports Wear OS 5. The South Korean tech giant covers a customized version with a one-user interface UI frame. Galaxy Watch 7 supports One UI 6, equipped with an Exynos W1000 chip and an enhanced bioactive sensor. Moreover, it features 32 GB storage and is considered perfect in terms of connectivity, as it's compatible with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or long-term evolution, although LTE costs an additional $50 or more. Samsung's also gearing up to integrate the Wear OS 5 in the following older watches: the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic, and Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. Now, Google has only introduced Wear OS 5 in the recently launched Pixel Watch 3, following the Watch 7 and Watch Ultra. Pixel Watch 3 supports 40% more display and 35% more battery with a brand new extra display with 2000 nits brightness, twice than before. It's built custom workouts, adds intervals, and during your run get real-time guidance, get accurate heart rate tracking with continuous sampling, and more. Alphabet-owned Google is also planning to integrate Watch OS 5 in older watches that are Google Pixel Watch and Google Pixel Watch 2. Now, OnePlus devices are also soon to get the Wear OS 5, which brings it to the lineup of new software enhancements. The OnePlus Watch 2 is all set to receive 2 significant updates regarding Wear OS with 3 years of security. However, the company has still not revealed the release date, but the Watch 2R will be the only wearable to get the latest update. Other tech manufacturer companies are also soon to bring this update in their flagship wearable models.